La 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 la. We're 33 minutes out. Are you having headphone problems? What's going on? Is it just not... You want to try one of my batteries?
Other one's charged.
Yeah. Battery then?
I tried 2 different batteries.
Oh, I can hear you now too. Oh, I mean, at least it works.
Yeah, I'm so glad.
All right. Oh.
Dashboard, change the title, stream,
Yeah.
and all that.
Yeah, I got you. There we go. Okay. Alright, dashboard updated. We're good to go. Yo, 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 yo. So I think what we should do is like once the announcement video is done, once we've watched it, just literally just throw some words at the board and see what sticks, and then we'll I don't know, put together an idea off of that. I'm gonna preemptively throw up the different view options. So we got third. Actually, I kind of feel like fuck third person in general. It's going to be way harder to do that. We're going to have to work with camera systems, and it's just not worth it. We should limit ourselves to a top-down... Oh, fuck, I can hear myself. Top-down... what do you say? A side-scroller or first-person. I think it's going to be the easiest way to go.
Okay.
Just ignore the camera problem. First P, top down and side scroller.
Wow.
What up?
I'm already at 47% CPU usage,
Jesus.
and I haven't even opened anything yet.
What?
We're definitely going to use Kit Bash as a render server. We should actually be building the engine on that right now, right?
I'm doing it on that thing.
Oh.
I'm building the engine right now.
Yeah. Oh, okay. Great.
Well, the engine's built on Red Mars server. Should I put it on Kit Bash?
What? No, Kit Bash is this computer. That's what it's called.
Yeah, it's already set up.
You're building the engine inside the Game Jam folder?
Right now.
Okay.
Yep. It's already hooked up to SVN and everything.
What's up, clan member? Or what do you got for us?
A por ella. Y cuando salgo en el lado de la noche había bajado la marea. La dejé amarrar tal como me lo dijo, la tiré, le puse un palo. Dice, llego a la cocina, eran las 2:30 de la noche. Visita, ¿qué la has hecho? Allí está, jefe. Ya, pues acuéstate que mañana a las 8 te llamo para que vaya a recoger las paelleras. Y me acuesto en su, ya para abrir el restaurante que era el arroz. Y me llama el cocinero. Risita, ¿qué? Ve por la paellera.
First we need to deliver. Sounds like Microsoft.
Ya están aquí. Mi bañador. Pues las chanclas. Todo despeinado porque no me dio tiempo nada ponerme las chanclas y el bañador.
Maybe you should put the GMTK Game Jam banner like just below Olympus Mons, like just stick it up there as a static image. Because top center is not really going to be in the way.
Okay.
That is so unbelievably true to fucking actual software development.
Entre las piedras de chipiona del faro. Y cuando entro en el restaurante me ve el cocinero con una paellera y a ver solamente paellera. ¡Asómate, mira dónde llega el agua! Llegaba el agua hasta el restaurante. Había subido la marea. Jesús, hay que hacer ahora con los dos sacos de arroz.
You don't have backups.
¡Ay, llama para Sevilla! ¡Llama a Sevilla que traigo paella!
Oh. Yeah.
¡Ay, yo con el bañador y con la paella! ¡Ay, el cocinero! No vea, para Sevilla. Y me
Oh, you should absolutely send it to your boss. Absolutely.
I'm making a game jam folder in cold assets.
Oh, okay. That's a good idea. Although, honestly, if we're transferring larger things, we probably don't want to be going through SVN for it. It's only for, like, game files and stuff. What, large file sync?
I mean, we're on a local area network, so
Yeah, it's just that it still is, like, I mean, it took a while to download the big fucking image, but I think that it's just large files that cause the issue. Whatever, we're not going to be working with very large files like that. The largest thing we'll be working with is the solution of the project itself.
¿Había mucho dinero en el bote?
Lo que me echaban y el dinero de lo que gané, me cobraron 20 paelleras.
Oh my god, this is the longest meme of all time.
Me llevé yo para Sevilla. Ay, ya aborrecí la playa. Hemos llorado los dos.
Oh, sorry. The action of muting my microphone stifled my sneeze, and now my face feels awful. It's just like my face is like tight from not sneezing. I don't know, it's weird. Those good memes. Good memes. Good memes.
thanks for sharing that, dude. Proper memes.
Oh my god, what a fucking wasted opportunity. Alright, bring up my screen.
Hold on a second. I'm gonna add the game jam image, so I'll come to you as I do that.
Oh nice, yeah. Good call. Star Wars or Star Trek? Star
Trek, dude. Yeah.
Absolutely Star Trek.
Put that below the alert box. Alright, copy. What were you saying, Jeff?
Are you? What the fuck? You're not capturing anything that I have up on that screen. Oh, the image died. I think you need to reconnect the TeamViewer. Oh.
Oh, wow, that's fucking weird. So I have to have it, like,
on screen in order for it to actually capture?
Now, if I go away from it, okay, it's still a live image. So, wow, okay. Wow, that's so weird.
Oh, I was gonna show this. So one of the commentators at Evo right now has this shirt, and it's Ryu and Ken, and it's actually, it says Jujitsu instead of fucking Ryujitsu. It would have been such a better shirt. These morons ruined it. Anyway, that's all I had. How close are we?
9 minutes. Okay, let me pull up the
do we have like a timer we can throw up anywhere? Like, is there a timer plugin for obs?
Oh shit. That's a good idea. Let's see.
Live stream. Huh.
Not really.
I guess you're right. Oh well. Not the worst thing ever. Actually, you know what? It's probably a terrible idea to have a timer. I was like thinking about maybe like coloring in the board as we get through it, but I just realized that would just like put extra pressure as we like see the ticking time go by.
Yeah.
And I'm like, maybe we shouldn't focus on that so much.
Yeah. Let's just keep to the. We can color in the timeline as we go.
Yeah, I can't see that, so I won't think about it as much. It's a good idea.
Which, by the way, is currently looking like that. What is that? What is that? What is that?
Is that this light?
Hold on while we figure this out. It's got to be that overhead. Can you tilt that down anymore? Turn it away from you? Yep, there it is.
Yeah. Okay,
Sweet.
that's good. I have my own desk light over here too, so.
Yeah.
Alright, so would we update that? So if you click unfollow, no, we don't count down. We only count up. I'm sorry.
Yeah, we just won't count up to 33 until we actually have 33 back again. So
yeah.
that foils your plan right there.
Ben, I think you need to focus.
I think you need to focus. I'm 100% focused right now.
I'm talking about the board.
I know.
Perfectly focused.
So focused. Okay, yeah, let me try it. I mean, it's focused to infinity. How's that?
Oh yeah,
good?
perfect.
You guys see that okay?
We gotta protect our company secrets.
There's where the focus is, right there.
Gotta protect company secrets. No information. We don't want people stealing our ideas for the game jam.
Yeah, no, that's the best focus. I think that just... And I've cleaned the lens so many times. Like, I think maybe...
Don't worry about
did you
it. It's
drop
not
it or
huge.
something at some point? I feel
it's
like
not a big deal.
Out of alignment is what that looks like.
It's very possible that I dropped
one corner
it.
is out of focus and the center is good.
It's very possible that I dropped it at some point. In fact, it's pretty much a guarantee.
Okay. What if we drop it again?
Will it correct it? I don't think that's how that thing really works. You got tissues around here? Actually, I'm just gonna grab a paper towel. Right back.
Yeah, that's about as good as it gets. I do want to set up, No, is there a link where it's going to come up?
And I gotta not forget to unmute myself.
Yeah. Yeah, that's probably makes it easier to read.
I'll mute mine and then you just play yours on the... Oh wait, I don't have your audio. Never mind. Never mind.
What?
Do I have your entire computer audio? I do, don't I? Yeah.
If you have.
Well, then
music, then you're
I'll
good.
mute mine and I'll just listen to yours. But yeah, put it up on the stream when it happens.
Yeah, of course. That's what I'm saying. I just need the link.
I sent it to you on Discord.
Yes, you did. Premieres in 2 minutes.
$60.
Do you recognize this music?
I do. I'm trying to place it though. Hold on. What is it from? I know this fucking sound.
Think game show.
Oh god. Is it Jeopardy? No. No, it's not Jeopardy. It's what is it? What is it? Oh my god. Oh fuck, I know this.
It's up behind you.
Who Wants to Be a Millionaire? Oh my god, it's been so long since I watched that show. I fucking forgot it existed.
Yeah. Oh shit.
Oh.
2 more minutes, so we get to submit by 12:02. I mean,
I think that's how this works.
that's how this works. Oh, is that that's the Star Wars meme that you sent. Oh, 20 seconds. Let's do this. Let's do this.
Let's do this.
9, 8. Okay.
Hi everyone, and welcome to the GMTK Game Jam, a 48-hour game-making marathon. This year is set to be the biggest jam yet, with over 5,000 people signed up on itch.io.
Holy shit.
And if you're
okay.
watching this video as soon as it goes out, that means you have 2 days to make a game, and your game has got to fit the following theme. This year, for 2019, the theme is Only One. Only one what? Only one button? One enemy? Life? Screen? Level? Attempt? Direction? Day? Sprite? It's really
I think
up to
our
you.
concept fits into this,
Think about it. There are loads of great games that work with only one button, like the addictive shoot-'em-up Switch and Shoot. Arcade games often needed only one screen to create dynamic challenges. That level in Braid, where time moves in only one direction, is a stroke of absolute genius. And God of War is kind of like a shooter, but with only one bullet. The GMTK Jam is all about creativity, so we're looking for games that really run with the idea. Don't just jump straight into programming code, but take a few hours to think of different takes.
Maybe I never told you. I had an idea
silly,
for a game
be ambitious,
just now.
surprise us, make us laugh, make us think, make us howl with frustration. Take something that players usually expect to have loads of, give them only one of it, and then figure out how to design your way around that problem. Games can be made alone or in teams. You can use whatever tools you like as long as you can upload a game playable on Windows or browsers to itch.io, and you can use any art or music.
Oh, you know what? I just realized we need to fucking actually join on itch.io.
We also have a Discord channel where you can chat with fellow jammers, get technical advice, and more. The link is on the screen and in the description. Okay, I better let you get started.
Yeah, you better do that right now.
Have fun,
I mean,
and I'll chat
it's
to you
only
again
a
in 48
detriment
hours.
if you sign up late, right? So there's no reason for them to close it.
Is that true? I hope.
Okay, so what was your idea? Tell me while I do this.
Top down. You're in a rover.
Okay.
Top down, so style, think Grand Theft Auto.
Yeah, we just joined.
Grand Theft Auto 1 and 2.
Okay.
Are we joined as OMG?
Yep. Yeah.
Okay, cool.
Yeah, truthfully, I joined as myself and OMG, just in case.
Alright. I'm going to try and mess with your sound settings because I'm hearing all of your typing and just in my microphone. I think it's...
Oh, yeah.
Are you hearing his keyboard is clacking in the screen?
Alright, hey, idea. Planning. So what's your idea? Top-down rover.
Top-down rover. You're running from something. Actually, you're running towards something.
Oh wait, we already have top-down, duh.
You're on Mars.
Okay.
Didn't say that yet. You're on Mars. So you've got...
Rover and Mars are kind of a given for us, I feel like.
You're running from... Someone's trying to find you.
Well, what's the one thing? What is there one of? Because if it's one life, that's not very unique. What is the one thing?
It doesn't have to be unique. We can do multiple ones. Like there's one rover. There's one enemy. There's one entity.
No, but we want to build our game mechanics around the theme. That's the point. We want it not just to take the theme and apply it in different ways, but we can. But we want to build the mechanics around it. Like, how does the game play? How does only one play into the mechanics of it, into how it's played?
Okay.
Only one button, only one direction, only one... try, only one...
Well, yeah, I mean, that only one attempt. I mean, these... You just said those words in the video.
Right.
You want to watch it again?
Yeah, play it again. I was focused on signing up. Let's skip forward 2 minutes. Oh, Jesus.
Can't skip.
Okay, whatever. So let's just keep thinking. Only one day?
No, I don't think day would fit. It would take a long time to traverse anywhere on Mars in a rover. And it's not going to be a straight shot, right?
I mean, what if we set a 24 and a half hour clock, essentially? Or is it 24 hours and 20 minutes, right? Isn't that the time slip? Whatever. Only one day. I actually kind of like that concept.
Only one day?
So maybe the goal is only accessible during the time slip. You have one day, and you have to find it. You have to find whatever the goal is. And it's only accessible during the 20 minutes of the time slip.
Interesting.
So that way, it's not just about finding it. Well, yes, okay. So if you're pursued by something, it's not just about finding it, it's about finding it at the correct time. Only one. Only one. One enemy, one goal, one day, one try.
Hi everyone, and welcome to the GMTK Game Jam, a 48-hour game-making marathon.
You turn it up a
This
little bit,
year is set to be the biggest jam yet, with over 5,000 people signed up on itch.io. And if you're watching this video as soon as it goes out, that means you have 2 days to make a game, and your game has got to fit the following theme. This year, for 2019, the theme is only one. Only one what? Only one button? One enemy? Life? Screen? Level? Attempt? Direction? Day? Sprite? It's really up to you. Think about it. There are loads of great games that work with only one button, like the addictive shoot 'em up, switch and shoot. Arcade games often needed only one screen to create dynamic challenges. That level in Braid, where time moves in only one direction, is a stroke of absolute genius. And God of War is kind of like a shooter, but with only one bullet. The GMTK Jam is all about creativity, so we're looking for games that really run with the idea. Don't just jump straight into programming code, but take a few hours to think of different takes on the theme. Be silly, be ambitious, surprise us, make us laugh, make us think, make us howl with frustration. Take something that players usually expect to have loads of, give them only one of it, and then figure out how to design your way around that problem. Games can be made alone or in teams. You can use whatever tools you like as long as you can upload a game playable on Windows or browsers to itch.io, and you can use any art or music that you have the legal right to use. We also have a Discord channel where you can chat with fellow jammers, get technical advice, and more. The link is on the screen and in the description. Okay, I better let you get started. Best of luck, have fun, and I'll chat to you again in 48 hours.
Okay. So, see what I'm saying? Like, that's not really restrictive about what they mean by one.
That's very true. Only one. Okay, so let's run with that idea, I guess, for a minute. So one rover, one enemy, one goal, one day. So what's the game? How do you play it? You move around. How do you find the goal? And how do we make it a game as opposed to you just getting there?
Yeah, there need to be obstacles.
And if there's one enemy, what is that enemy doing? Besides chasing you, that's kind of a given. Or maybe it isn't chasing you. Maybe it's guarding the goal?
Yeah, but then you don't face it until the end of the game. At all. There's no enemy until the end of the game.
So how do you play it until the end of the game then?
Not sure.
One. B.
Let's say, oh.
But if there's a timer or something forcing you to move, kind of defeats the purpose of the time limit timer. Time forces you to get. I don't know if we can maze the landscape up somehow. Let's see.
It's going down.
Only one what? I wanna try and find something that's unique and not just one of the things that he listed too. Wondering how.
Make us laugh, make us howl with frustration.
1 tank of fuel, 1 battery charge, instead of 1 day. I'm just gonna say 1 fuel.
I mean, 1 day would be cool because then the environment changes as you play. You know?
But we would want to tie mechanics of the game to that cycle, I would imagine. So what would we do with it? Oh. Ben.
What? 1 person?
There's a game called Lovers in a Dangerous Space-Time. Look it up real quick. YouTube. Or just on Steam, whatever, wherever they have just promotional video. Maximize it. Each system is individually controlled. And you have to be physically at the station terminal in order to do it. Now imagine having to manage all of that as a single one person.
I mean, that's kind of like an FTL type deal.
So you can only control certain things by being there, and you have 1 person, so 1 control at a time. But what are the different controls? Obviously movement is 1, but do we split movement into 4? Could split movement into 4.
Split movement into 4. I think, unless each move is time is taken with each move and it's calculated, you know, by the player, because each move has consequences. Like, I don't think basic movement should be as frustrating.
On the contrary. Maybe. 1 direction at a time. 1 square at a time. No, only 1. Not at a time. Those don't really apply. Control. One map.
Well, it's Mars. I was just saying we should do a couple of... I mean, there should be multiple ways to apply the only one theme.
Right.
So that it's up to interpretation. That can be interpreted in many different ways.
Well, I can see one enemy, one day. We could even do one tank of fuel as well.
I mean,
if the enemy
be a battery.
If well, yeah, whatever. The battery, one battery. Let's just say that. One fuel.
Are there ways to extend the fuel?
No. Only one.
There aren't pickups or anything?
Nope. Only get one tank. One battery. So if you're being chased by something, you obviously need to be able to reach the goal within a battery within a reasonable amount of time. One person. I guess it comes from because think about it, we still have to make the map, so we have to consider how that's going to work as well. Like, what are the obstacles? Are we hard baking them and choosing a different goal, a different entrance or whatever to the safety, and just like randomly generating where that is? If we are using a single solid map, how are we going to do that? Are we going to draw it ourselves? How are we going to block the player's movement?
Procedurally generating each playthrough?
It would be easier to use a static map.
It doesn't really give much replayability to the game.
Well, you randomize the start and finish positions. But how does the player know where the finish position is? Do we tell them right away and they have to get there?
It's really annoying.
What? Oh, marker. Shit, sorry.
I mean, you can keep doing it, just not right next to the mic.
So do we tell them? Do we leave a breadcrumb trail? Do we leave it entirely up to them to figure it out? I guess you can't really do that. I mean, we don't have enough time to do a bunch of fucking like cool puzzle mechanics in order to lead people to a certain area, you know.
No, it's got to just be.
So
like,
they just have to
it's
know.
got to be like Minesweeper.
Yeah. They either need to be able to follow some sort of path, whether that be a direct line or a breadcrumb trail, or we just need to tell them from the outset where they're going. I mean, if we do a what's a decent resolution height map of Mars that we have?
Height map?
Yeah.
Is the 2K one that you, or the 2 megabyte one or whatever you had on computer, the first draft of the voxel map?
No, we can't use that one. We need something that's like 8K or smaller.
8,000 pixels?
Yeah. I think I actually have, I think the like 50 or 40 megabyte one that I have is good. Hold on, let's see.
Yeah, that's the one I'm talking about.
Oh, okay. Let me double check.
Wasn't that what you used as the first draft? Or...
no, don't slow down right now, you piece of shit.
Okay, just so everyone knows, this is our schedule.
Properties. D10. Yeah, this one works. It's 4K. It's good enough. So we could... Oh, fuck, it needs converted from TIFF to...
From TIFF? From JPEG to TIFF?
TIFF to JPEG. Or whatever would be a decent...
I don't know. What can we use on Unreal right now?
Any other image format, I don't think you can use TIFF files. PNG, JPEG.
Send it to me.
Can I send 40 megs over Discord?
Look on the shared folders, network.
Oh, which one?
I see me.
Kenobi for... Oh, I need to log in as you. It's asking me to log in, man.
Kenobi 5?
Yeah.
Why am I the only shared computer on here? Do you have... Is your computer shared? Is that computer shared? Let's see the...
I don't think this folder is. I'll just fucking share my entire... I'll just share Red Mars game.
It's asking you to log in as me. That's interesting, because I don't have it.
Sharing. Share. Share. Okay, so we import a height map of Mars. We create a landscape. The landscape will give us, we'll set like the player controller's walkable height low.
Wait, say that again?
So we import the landscape of Mars. That gives us a map, right?
Mm-hmm.
Or height map of Mars. We can lay a really super simple fucking texture over it, whatever. Something like low res, pixelated, whatever. So we can set the player's walk angle low so that you can't like drive up over things or anything like that. And then we set up the application with a top-down player controller. Do we click to move or do we move with...
Is it a 3D
keys?
game?
Yeah, it's just gonna be easier to do it 3D.
Oh, Okay.
Because we can our rover can literally just be a fucking static mesh cube. Or rectangle, whatever. If we have time, we can, I don't know, throw cube wheels on it and make them turn. Be simple. Think simple art-wise, but 3D, because it's going to be easier to do in Unreal, one way or another. Okay, so... how do we move? How are we going to move? Are we going to do, like, up, down, left, right control? Or...
yeah, and does the rover instantly turn to the direction you're going? Or
yes, it just
does
literally
it have to,
instantly.
like...
Just don't worry about change. Like don't worry about momentum conservation or anything like that. We'll just make it super simple. Up, left, but it's 8 directional, so you can combine directions.
You should be able to get into my computer now.
Oh, okay.
I turned off password on the network.
Users public, I guess.
Yeah.
Public pictures.
It's going down again.
Ah, yeah. Get some high quality siren action. Alright, it's in public pictures. Yeah. Don't worry, that's just bad preview data. Huh? Oh, fuck, right. No, it's not. It's not GeoTIFF or BigTIFF, I don't think. Really? Okay. Open it up in... Do you have GDOL or something installed? Grass? Ben. Look. One word. No. To rove, to wander aimlessly. I think at least that's... Is it spelled differently? No. To move aimlessly. Mm-hmm. Perfect. Oh, dude, and it works perfectly too.
that kind of... That name, what does that name say to you?
Okay, so integrating the idea that I was thinking about for our other top-down concept. We can add a ping, which will ping things. Okay, all right, I got it. All right, let me draw you a picture. Okay, so map. Right? We got Mars, blah, 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 whatever. You're here. And you're going to hit a button. And it's going to ping. It's going to use part of your battery. But it's going to put up little markers that point in cardinal directions and indicate where the goal is. That's our breadcrumb trail. It's not a straight line breadcrumb trail, but if we put these little markers evenly enough across the map, you should feasibly be able to find the goal by the end. And then it's a matter of conservation of your battery, right? So if you have something that's pointing to you, you know, northwest, how long in that direction do I go again before I risk another ping? Because what if I just ping and it tells me to keep going in that direction?
Should just keep going until you in that direction until you hit a different kind of obstacle or an obstacle that stops.
So do we even need an enemy?
I don't know.
Because your enemy is the tank or the battery at this point.
That's true. Like Frostpunk, your enemy is the cold. It's not something that you can actually fight, really.
There's one rover. There's one goal. Does the day still play into it?
I mean, I think if we have time implementing the changes in time, like visually, would be awesome.
During the day or during the night, your battery burns faster.
Because it's colder. You have to keep it warm.
And so you have a day.
Cold drains, at least lithium-based batteries, really fast. So you have to keep those warm.
So the day plays into it. You have one daytime cycle before your battery starts draining. And we don't make the goal inaccessible.
Passively.
Yeah.
Yeah, there'll be a passive drain at night. So that doesn't mean you need to do it in one day, but...
Well, we just make it so that there's no possible way for you to make it through the day. By the beginning of the next morning, your battery is definitely drained. Just make it so that it's impossible otherwise.
Why? Because then one day, only one day.
Just stick it to the theme.
Okay.
Moving drains battery.
Pinging drains battery.
Pinging drains battery.
Alright, let's write a battery drain
battery
column.
This actually makes it really easy because the primary tuning fork for balance in our game is just going to be the battery. How big is the battery? We don't have to worry about enemy AI or anything like that.
And I think we should actually use either milliamp hours or amp hour, probably amp hours, or as like the unit of measure in the game, because that's what it would be.
Right.
It's how many amps you have that you can run, how many amps you can run for 1 hour left.
Okay.
So like, just a rough starting point, just mentally would be, I guess it could be kilowatt hours. Kilowatt hour, 350 volt lithium ion is on a Tesla Model S range, long range. You gotta get something else to play with in your hand, because
I'm gonna just put it down.
well, I mean, doing something with your hands helps you think. Helps me think.
How else can we apply the theme?
There it is.
Huh. Nice.
It's in color.
Which is interesting.
Hold on, let me set it to manage colors, color tables. Maybe, I guess it'd be gray 255.
Yeah. Oof. Oh.
Can I undo? Oh god. I can't undo.
Can you just set the color table back?
I don't know what it was before.
I don't know, fucking RGB.
See what I'm dealing with here? I don't know how to
Jesus.
use this program. Yeah. There we go. That's perfect. Oh, almost.
Oh,
Goes back to black for extremes.
yeah.
Try
What?
again.
Which one did you choose?
It's this one, aspect.
Ascent? Oh, aspect? Wait, scroll down. So you did,
Let me just try regular gray.
oh, okay. There you go.
Can we do PNG?
Yeah.
Sometimes when I can't find my room, I just sit and hold on to you. Yeah, it keeps me safe, yeah, it keeps me safe. And I really wish we could just stay. The time just keeps running away.
And let me set any of the
Yeah, I might just choke.
compression level. 0. Zero compression.
You may actually want to compress it. Oh, can you compress it to the number of bits? Or is that just straight up?
No, this is an integer that is from 0 to 9 level of compression.
Oh,
I
no.
want 0 compression. It's only a 40 megabyte file in, so
No, you don't want that, okay.
set jump. Image height exceeds user limit. There it is. Jesus, right outside of the. Okay.
Somebody already finished.
What?
They made Pong with a single paddle. And you just keep winning.
Show it? Show it on your screen?
Oh, yeah. It's so pointless.
You actually can't lose. You literally have to do nothing. Wow. Wow.
That's good. Me, I've been, I've been good.
Alright, that seemed to have worked. Zero bytes. Okay. Didn't do anything.
What? When you open the PNG, it didn't do anything?
No, it's 0 bytes in size.
Oh, Jesus.
Why is this fucking program so hard to use? Probably because it's free. Oh, this is why I didn't set a data type. What is the data type for?
Shit, we're probably gonna want to try a few of these. Go with, actually, let me just Google what Unreal Engine suggests.
It's signed 16-bit, right?
Yeah, but hold on a second. Map, custom height maps and layers. Grayscale 8-bit.
That didn't do anything.
Wait a minute. Height map format, sorry. 16-bit grayscale PNG is what it suggests.
Nothing's happening. Oh. I'm an idiot. It seems to be working, it's just, it hasn't. It just takes some time, I guess.
So we're about an hour in, and I guess we have a working concept.
Yeah. Well, we have, yeah. I mean,
I like the idea. I'm wondering how far we can push this only one thing. I feel like the main menu should just be the word Rove, and you just click on it to play. And it just drops you directly into the game. That'll minimize work for us. So we don't have to do level transitions or anything like that. It's basically just attached to the player controller as a UI element, and the game starts after you press Rove.
yeah.
Okay. You only get one try, one attempt. Yeah. I mean, that's a given. It's going to be essentially a roguelike where you either get to the goal or you fail, and you have to try again with completely different world settings, which is fine. One life, one battery, one day.
Should we use Unreal's landscape tool?
Yeah.
Landscape system?
Yeah. Yeah, that's what we're going to import the height map on.
Okay.
And we'll just see how big we can get it without going overboard, and then we can just scale all of the movement and like character and all of that shit to whatever that is to make it feel right. And we're not going to scale or anything crazy like that, so we can make it so that you need to be able to literally cross the entire map in a day technically.
Abort.
It has to be UINT 16.
It does?
Or 255. 255 being white and black being 0.
That's not 16.
Color mode grayscale 16-bit. I don't know. If you're using Photoshop to export your height map, make sure that you set up your new images like the following. Yeah, I mean that's square pixels.
Set up the images like the following.
Here, I'll send you the page.
Is this for the
Height map.
GeoTIFF? Importing a GeoTIFF?
No, this is for importing a fucking PNG height map into Unreal. Okay. I'm gonna actually, I think that even though we don't have the final specs for this, I think that we can go ahead and create the project at least. I'm pretty satisfied with the idea of doing a top-down.
So it's unsigned or signed?
The values should be between 0 and 255, which is technically unsigned 6 or 8-bit, but I don't know why it's telling you to just do it unsigned 8-bit.
It's not even an option.
Really? Holy shit, okay.
Maybe that's byte. Maybe byte is 8-bit. 8-bit's in a byte.
Yeah, it's byte. Sorry, I didn't know that it listed byte as an option. I wasn't looking. Oh, fucking hell. I just created this project in the wrong fucking place.
Delete it.
Did I? Hold on, let me double check. Yeah, I definitely did, okay.
Precision loss. Raster map of types.
That's fine if there's precision loss. I don't know where I created it. I'll delete it once I open this shit again.
Despite any warnings of data loss. There we go.
Jesus, put it on my fucking C drive. Nobody does this anymore. Get it through your heads. Nobody puts fucking projects on their C documents file. New project, C performance. Man, nah, man. What? Oh, wow, okay. Select folder. All that same thing. Create project. Oh, I just set it for maximum quality. Fuck.
That's not what we want.
We can. It's fine.
What's the scalable 2D? 3D?
Maximum quality is fine.
It's just a visual preset, isn't it? Doesn't actually change the number of the options that we have in the editor. Okay.
know you regret it, love. Told me so many. I know you but I still. I know you I still. I know you regret it, love. Told me so many times, but I still. I know you but I still wonder.
What? The fuck?
What's up? What are you having problems with?
I'm trying to figure out how to open GeoTIFF in Photoshop, because I actually know how that program works quite well.
Oh, okay. I mean, keep in mind, dude, that this is not the most important part. So dude, I have a like 10 or a 1K version. Let's just see what it looks like in the engine, shall we? What is it? I'll just go to the download the fucking sample version of that dem. Blended 200 meter sample. Okay, just download this shit. Here, just go to, or here, I'll just send it to you, because we are going to need to make sure that it's formatted correctly, so that it's 8-bit unsigned.
Why don't we just do that by processing it in, because then we can get a JPEG straight from
PNG.
USGS.
Because we have to wait on that. Why don't we just throw this
but then what
JPEG into...
What?
Look, I sent you a Discord message. Grab this JPEG, put it in Photoshop, output it as a 8-bit unsigned PNG, and we'll import it and just see how it looks at this scale. If we want a better version, then we can go and render off a slightly higher resolution one and use that. Does that sound good?
This one's awful.
That's fine for now. It may not like.
No, like I can see JPEG compression artifacts. There's no point in using this at all.
What do you mean?
You can see JPEG macro blocking compression artifacts all over the place. This thing's awful, even for a JPEG image.
All right. Well, what I'm saying is that all this is going to do is determine the height map of our landscape, so it doesn't matter that much.
Okay. I mean, we could just put in the processing and work on something else.
Or we could use this in order to make sure that our workflow is going to work, and then put in the processing. Because if our workflow isn't going to work, we're wasting all of our time.
Yeah. That's a good point. Alright, do we have... Do we have a repo and a project?
I have the project right now. It's compiling shaders, and then I will check in the application folder.
Okay.
As soon as compiling shaders is done, and that is taking a minute. Oh, it does not help that I am running Visual Studio twice. Okay. Ugh, god damn it, shaders, come on. Do your damn thing. In the meantime, though, can you output that as a 8-bit PNG?
Yeah.
Okay.
Everything's going to be in the Game Jam 2019 Cold Assets folder.
Okay. I'm just pull it off of your computer. There's no point in me pulling down the folder.
Yeah, this is just fucking frozen. Just doesn't.
Oh, you're not. Okay, I'll just fucking pull it down, whatever. Come on, shaders!
8 bits and 24 pixels by 512 pixels.
What?
Yeah, that's the JPEG you sent me.
The JPEG I sent you is supposed to be 1024.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
By 512.
Oh, okay, yeah. Yeah, I mean, who cares if it's horribly fucking low res at this point? If it works, then we can start working on the game and we can set up processing, and we just need to import the higher res map. That's all.
All right. I'm adding it to the repo. Okay, what's up?
Hold on, 20 more shaders.
It doesn't look very top down. What does it look like when you hit play?
So the thing that you have to just do is go to the character and change the angle of the camera boom. Because right now it's at 60 degrees, but if you just make it 90, or negative 90, I guess. You hit play. There. So this will be our character. We'll just work off of this character. We'll replace the fucking mesh and everything. Oh wait, shit, we may not be able to because all this shit's inherited. So it will require a skeletal mesh. It'll use character movement. I mean, we could work off of this actually. Maybe we should though. We'll see.
saying. It's pretty potato quality.
Okay, I'm gonna check in this folder now. SVN. And here we go. Okay. I'm just gonna add everything and then add it. This includes on intermediate, saved, and binaries. Oh, we're an hour and 20 in. I think we've actually... What? Oh, fuck. Wait, it's not running. What the fuck do you mean? DB lock. Oh, because it's trying to add VS binaries. God damn it. Hold on.
Oh shit. Okay, there we go.
Okay, so now if I go back here and I right click and I say add, it'll add everything and it will properly ignore the correct shit. Yes. Yes, it will. Okay. Okay, so when you get this, what you need to do before you build is you need to go to the project file and you need to change engine version and change it to your engine install file folder, and then regenerate project files. So it'll just make sure that it's associated with your local engine, not mine.
All right, you only added the applications folder, right? So I can update the entire game jam folder.
Yes. Hold on. I just checked in.
Rove. I like that name.
Is Rove technically one syllable as well?
Rove.
Oh, is it Rove? Is that two? Rove syllables? I'm gonna fucking look it up because now I'm curious.
Rove. Yeah, I think it's...
It's one syllable.
Really?
Yeah. Yeah, it's kind of one of those weird ones because it's a singular sound,
Rove.
even though it's... Yeah.
Oh.
Even though it's two distinct parts, technically.
Okay.
So we have a one-word game with one syllable being made on one stream over one weekend.
You included starter content?
Yeah. Just for whatever.
Ease of use, yeah.
We can always delete it before we actually do the final package project, but it's going to be pretty small anyway, I would imagine.
Well, wouldn't it just not include that stuff in the build if we don't use it? Does it include everything?
Yeah. You're right. It does. What it does is it'll scan the level that you check in or that you build with, and it'll pull in any associated files. So as long as we're not referencing all of that starter content, it'll be discluded from the build.
I'm pulling down.
Okay, yeah, it's checked in. Did you put that image in cold assets?
Yeah, I did. And I
Okay.
committed.
Cool. Sick. Sickness.
Alright, switch Unreal Engine version.
Is that... No. No, just go to the drop down. It'll probably find it. You don't have to. Yeah. Hit okay. Oh, it is generating project files. Okay, so you don't have to run generate project files.
Cool.
And then open up the solution and build that fucker. Alright, I'm gonna do a quick first attempt at importing this. And then let's just we're kind of getting a little ahead of ourselves. So let's just make sure that we...
Yeah, we're still not done planning our minimum viable product.
Exactly. So, why is this running like shit right now? Why is Visual Studio cooking my fucking CPU right now?
I got no one to care for. They don't need me. I'm alone.
Oh, it's parsing. Oh, fuck,
Yeah,
that's
turn
why.
that off in your Visual Assistant settings.
Where?
Yeah,
Color,
show you.
mouse, hashtag.
Performance, I think.
Performance.
Parse. Yeah.
Oh, there we go. Okay.
I don't know that that'll stop what it's already started, but
Well,
I think
it's
you
going
need
to
to
take me
close and-
6 hours to do anything if I don't close this anyway, so.
yeah, just close it. All right, our first build of the day.
It worked? Good.
Well, hold on, it's still building.
I am actually kind of worried about this. I don't see any reason why it would fail, but
What? Why?
just file path associations being wrong, but hopefully reassociating the engine fixed any of that shit, so. I don't know, I just worried you for not a whole lot of reason. See, it just worked. I told you, it probably was going to work. I just was a little nervous about that.
I mean, we have experience doing this. Just thinking that everything would fucking die.
Little bit of
no reason.
little bit of game jam anxiety, I guess. Import from file.
It would be kind of nice if we had a third person like designing art assets for us right now.
Yeah. Whoa. Oh, it's there it goes. No, it's good.
UE4 editor has triggered a breakpoint.
What is it? Failed to uncompress data? Just go ahead. It's not a hard crash. Presume it. Oh no, that's not doing anything, so I'll do 70. Just see what we
I'm
get.
compiling shaders now.
Ooh,
Ooh, you know what
that data is extreme. Data is very extreme. Are you looking at my screen right now?
Holy shit.
I actually kind of like this terracing is actually kind of nice if it was less, exaggerated.
Because it's going from all the way black to all the way white, so it's using the entire scale. Isn't there a way to set a multiplier or something on that?
I actually don't think so. Hold on a second. Oh wait, scale? Here we go. Z 10. That's better. Still pretty fucking extreme.
Extremely small.
Well, I mean, it is a mostly flat planet. Right? I guess those are actually sharper than they give off from far away. Oof, that's gonna be kind of hard to tell anything. Well, I guess once it's textured, we can add fucking texture layers to it. That'll help. I don't know. What do you think? I mean, here, let me see.
I think we should scale it by do it 10,000 on the X and Y axis.
Whoa. No. I don't think that's what we want to do.
Holy shit, it's outside the skybox.
And it's entirely flat. At least...
Did you set the scale to 5 on
That's
Z?
true. That's true. That's true. Hold on, let me try this again. 1,000, and we'll set this to 100 again. Oh, okay. That feels better. But it's still really flat.
Yeah,
still waiting here.
500? Or, 200? 300? 50?
Are there clear, defined channels? I almost feel like...
We're not going to get anything like that with this resolution map. I'm telling you, I think we should just do the processing, because obviously this works, right?
Yeah, this works. Do the processing, let's get something, just get us an 8K thing, and we'll play with it until we get a good quality scale map.
8K thing.
So 8K horizontal, which is going to make it 4K vertical.
It's a 2-to-1 map?
Yeah.
Oh. Whoop.
I just searched, what was it? Mars Global DEM 200M.
Yeah, that's the only way I can get to this website.
I know, it's really
without
weird.
having to
It's really weird.
I think it's in PDS somewhere, but I don't remember. Should I send it to you or me?
Go ahead and send it to you since you're going to be doing the image processing. You may as well.
Right.
I hope that it's not still fucked up. If we can't do this, that's going to kind of suck. Wait, dude, we have a version of this in cold storage, don't we? Like the full 460 whatever meter?
Yeah, but it's not a JPEG. It's a TIFF. Remember? That's our problem. I can't figure out how to freaking use that.
Right, because that's 2 gigs.
GIS.
That's 2 gigs. Can't do that. Who knows? Maybe it's just like the fucking TIFF renderer that was screwing up.
All I can get is output resolution in meters per pixel.
In meters per pixel?
Yeah.
What's the full resolution of it?
200 meters per pixel.
No, what is the full image resolution?
I don't even know. I don't have a copy of this one.
It's 100K, give or take. So what's 100K over what? Oh, it's 200 meters? Which way do I do this math? 100,000 divided by 8K. Is 12.5, so 200 times 12.5 is 2,500 meters per pixel.
You want to just do by 12 instead of 12.5? Because I can always size it down to 8K.
Yeah. And if you can output it as unsigned byte, that'd be perfect.
I'm processing it as an unsigned byte.
That's what I meant. Yeah, that'd be perfect. That way we don't have any possible lossiness in the.
I mean, it'll be the highest. Oh, I can do a PNG.
Oh, you can?
Yeah.
Perfect.
Great, because JPEG compression sucks, even at 100% quality. All right, so what's it times 12 instead of 12.5?
2,400.
2,400 meters per pixel. PNG 8-bit add job. I shared the job with OMG as well. Email.
Okay.
So does the start and end point, like, is our map the entire planet?
This is not going to be a 2-scale kind of thing. Because, I mean, how far realistically could you go in 24 hours? Like, that's
not very far.
It's not going to be engaging. So you have 24 hours. Let's just say your rover moves really fucking fast, whatever.
So
we just want to make it.
It's just going to be a fixed range distance from the end point.
Yeah, so it'll fall within some ring, but at least some distance away.
So we just need to make sure that there's no way that there could be a bug of like start and end distances being the end distance being physically inaccessible.
Oh, you just bake the navigation, and then when you choose a position, you make sure that there's a workable path there. It's really easy.
Oh, it is?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Well, boy, I'm sure glad you know what you're doing. Alright, it's running the job.
Okay, so let's break it down, right? Let's break the game down. What are the primary features here? So we have the positioning of that is bad, but we know what it's there for. Okay, so elements. We have the map, which is working on. Rover? I should say player.
Say it once, Sam. For all time's sake.
Player controller. Rover.
Yes.
cancer. You bad luck to her.
What am I missing?
Sorry, I was updating tags.
Maybe get a coffee after or something if that's alright.
Uh-oh, our video's buffering.
Is that your browser or? Oh, it's gone.
Yeah, but it keeps doing that.
Are we just taking too much bandwidth right now? Let me pull us up.